morning. Hello, everybody. Hi, happy stampers. My name is Tiffany Almeida. I'm with Pretty and Paper Crafts, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I go live every Sunday for super fun, super adorable projects using Stampin' Up! Product. So I'm super excited to show you guys these projects today, and just thank you so much for watching with me on a Sunday morning. Okay, there's my little spiel. Here's project for you guys. So you remember, if you are a big follower of my Facebook group, Facebook Lives, I did a little chapstick holder for Christmas, and I think it had a snowman on it. Well, Deborah Harrison, who is on the Sweet Stampede, who's under Erica, she's my Stampin' sister. She took my chapstick holder and she turned it, she modified the size to fit one of these lipstick pens, and I'll show you this cute pen. I love it because it has all that bling on it, and then you pull the cap off and there's a pen inside. She modified it and made this cute little lipstick holder. So now I'm casing Deborah, who cased me. So it's come full circle, which is awesome, to make this cute little pen holder. Now these, okay, spoiler alert, if you're coming to Bunko, spoiler alert, this is my gift to my Bunko people. So I always do a little gift to my Bunko people every Sunday or every month. And last month was the little gift bags with the little animals and the taffy. Well, this month they're getting a cute little pen in a package like this. So super excited. So I'm going to show you guys how to make these. Here is our adorable little lipstick container, our lipstick pen. The pens look like this. I bought a box of 12 off of Amazon. They did ship from China, I believe, so it took a while to get here. So there's all kinds of fun colors. I'm using the pink, Pretty in Pink. Okay, so to make this card, we are going to start with a piece of Melon Mambo. And I've already done the scoring ahead of time, but I'll tell you what those score lines are. So, piece of Melon Mambo, this measures 6 inches by 8.5. And on the shorts, on the long side, I scored at 1/2 inch, 1 3/8 inches, 1/2 inch, 1 3/8 inches, 2 1/4, 3 1/8. Wow, I suck at measurements today. And then 5 15/16. Now you don't have to remember any of these. They're over on the project sheet. I'm reading it directly off the project sheet. Then I'm going to turn it the short way, and I'm going to score at 7/8 inches, 4 7/8 inches, and then 5 3/4 inches. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and burnish these score lines so that we can see them a little bit better and kind of help visualize what we're going to do. We're going to cut away some of this, and it will make a lot more sense once you kind of see it come together. It took a little bit to figure out the measurements to resize this little box, but I finally did it, and I was super proud of myself. All right, so to cut, we are going to cut, let's take these long panels here. You're going to cut them off completely. You're going to leave these 2 large rectangles in the center, but you're going to cut these 2 sides off completely. So on this side, cut it off. On this side, cut it off. And that's why I'm using big scissors, because I have these long cuts to make, and if I were using little scissors, it probably wouldn't be as straight, and it would probably take me forever. Okay, so on the side that has the 2 score lines, so it has the 1 and the little 1/4 inch score line, on this one, on this first tab, you want to just miter and cut about, you're going to kind of make your own, just cut about half of it off. Okay, and then this one, you want to miter this little 1/4 inch piece. So I just kind of mitered it, and then you want to cut straight down. You want this one to be straight. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on this side. Miter and cut straight down. Okay, This piece here, we're going to match it just like this one. So we're going to miter a little bit and miter, and we're going to cut this about in half, like so, okay? And then this piece here we can cut off completely, and we're just going to miter here. Just miter this edge. We're going to miter this edge here too, so we have this little panel. Okay, for this side, we're just going to cut and miter along all three. This side's easy. Okay, so we just kind of, now we have this kind of, I think it reminds me of like a scorpion. Like here's the scorpion's tail and this is the scorpion's body. Am I weird to think that? Am I the only one? Okay, now, before we put this together, we need to cut out our little window. And remember how I told you we were going to use that little label again? That little label die? That's what we're going to use to cut the window so we can see what's inside the box. So we are going to cut, now to know which one to cut, it's always this middle panel. So it's not the first and it's not the third, it's the middle one. So we'll put this in our Big Shot and we will cut this through. So I'll just lay this in the center. I'm going to turn my plate because it's starting to bend. Just want it to be fairly straight. Oh, and we need to move it over because we don't want our tab to get ripped off by the Big Shot. Okay, so we'll just run that through. Ooh, good job. I am not getting all the comments on this video, but good job to whoever made 20 cards using scraps. That is a great thing because I need to do something with my scraps. And I am looking for ideas. So that makes me happy. I'm glad you did that. You can save this cute little label for something else. Okay. All right, so now we can put our box together. So this is a pretty simple box to put together. You have this bottom tab here that we mitered. So we're just going to put some liquid glue, or you can use tear and tape too. Tear and tape works great for these projects because you're putting this box together. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, oh, before I do that, let's glue this down too. We need to glue this panel down before we do the other piece. So we're just folding that over on itself and gluing it down. Okay, so now I put glue on this and I've just folded over and laid it flat. And now I'm going to fold this side over and lay it flat and run it over the glue. I don't know why my video is not showing the comments anymore. I'll have to refresh and see if I can get it to work. Lisa did. Wow, Lisa, that's awesome. Okay. All right, so I'm going to now glue the side that has the 3 tabs that we just mitered. We're just going to glue those. You want to have your front tab be the last that you glue down though, because you want a nice clean edge. So I'm going to glue the bottom, the top, and then the front. So I have a nice clean edge here and here, and most of the edges are down here. So you're just going to put that in there, and then you can put your pen inside. Okay, and then I just folded the 2 hands here, folding the 2 sides, and then this little flap that has this little edge, we're going to fold that in and tuck it into the back. And this is going to hold it closed, but it's going to be reopenable, so they can open and close it. Reopenable? Is that even a word? Did I just invent a word? Okay, so there's our cute little box. Now all we got to do is decorate it. So we have a piece of Whisper White, and I have the So Sweetly dies. This is one of the So Sweetly dies. That die set, I tell you guys, I just keep using it. If you don't have this die set in the mini catalog, you need it. It's Stitch So Sweetly dies. The stitched scalloped rectangles and these awesome dies here. Gosh, I can't stop. They're so awesome. All right, then I have the lipstick. So I have the lipstick here, and I'm going to stamp it with Memento ink and color it with the blends. This lipstick's so cute. And so what I did is I colored the bottom of my lipstick holder in pink, in the Light Lovely Lipstick blend. Light Lovely Lipstick blend. So I'm doing a base of light. Okay, and then I took my Dark Lovely lipstick and I just did a little bit of shading here on the side. Okay, and then I again blended that shading. Okay, and then I took my Dark Lovely lipstick and I did the the lipstick itself in Dark Lovely lipstick because I wanted it to be dark pink. Okay, and then I did the kind of silver base to get that silver look. I went over with Light Smoky Slate, and I wanted to like leave a section white to kind of show that shine. So you can do that too. You can leave a section white. And then to add to it, I did my Wink of Stella to add glitter and shine so that it looks like metal. I'll bring that up close and hopefully you can see the shine from the Wink of Stella. It's not crazy, but it's there and it's super cute. All right, so now we're gonna just run these through the Big Shot. I have the lipstick big die and then the label. We'll cut out the label. I don't understand why your blends bleed with Memento. That shouldn't be right. Did you re-ink your Memento pad with StazOn ink or something? Or some ink that's not Memento? Because that should not happen. Or if it's a new Memento ink pad, maybe you need to call Stampin' Up! And have them send you a replacement because that should never, ever, ever, ever happen. It's alcohol based, so it shouldn't run. Okay, so now we have the dies done. We can put our little lipstick and everything down. So we're going to stamp the sentiment. Now the sentiment says, be as bold as your lipstick, which is just so perfect for this gift box. Okay. And then one other thing, you guys, for the bling, I took a rhinestone and I took my Dark Lovely lipstick and I colored the rhinestone pink. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this, first we need to do our stripe. So we have a stripe. This is more of that beautiful Best Dressed Designer Series paper. So it's super cute. It has more than just flowers. It has stripes. It has polka dots. It has all kinds of cute stuff. So we're going to glue that on. So if you didn't re-ink it, Janie, then there's something wrong with it. You need to send it back. That should just never happen. Okay, so then I'm just going to put some dimensionals on the back of my label. Must have bling. That's a Terry thing. I knew it was Terry before I even saw her name. All right, so putting that down, I'm going to get 2 more dimensionals for the lipstick. Okay. Put this across like so. And then we're going to take the, let's see, I'm going to use my piercing tool. And I'm just going to pick up the rhinestones and put them down on my project. Cute, cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these cuties. How fun is that? I love this little box and I can't wait to give these away as my little gifts for this month. Thank you guys so much. Have a fabulous week. We will see you guys all next week for more fun. And then the week after that, I'm weekend retreat. I'm so excited. All right, you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. We'll see you later.